YouTube channel Power BI Guru. So today we will discuss about row level security in Power BI, or in short we can say RLS. So let's see how it is. So it is about enabling different roles and giving user access to different levels of data, and that is called as row level security. So there are multiple ways where you can say, secure the data in Power BI dataset. So row level security is nothing but about applying a security on the data at a row level. We can understand it with the help of some examples, like for some sales data, there are sales managers for every country, and let's suppose there is a country like US, and US has a sales manager, and Canada has a sales manager, Europe has a sales manager. So every sales manager can see the data for their country only. They cannot see the data for another one's country. So this we can achieve by applying row level security or by managing roles in Power BI. So let's create the roles for that. Let's understand in Power BI desktop now. So let's go to our Power BI report. So in this report, I created these visuals just to understand about the concept of detailed view or drill down functionality. So we can see here, this was the drill down. You can see my previous video as well for this. So now we will understand the same thing, how we can achieve RLS. RLS means row level security. So we can see the data for United States, New Zealand, Mexico, and other countries. So what we will do, there is a modeling tab here, and here it is manage roles. So we will manage the roles, and we can see here one role is already created, that is for US region. So we will delete this one and create it from starting just to understand. So we can double click on it and US region. This is on this ecom sales table, and here we will filter the data. So category equals, so we will not filter on category, but we will filter on country. So country equal United States. The value should be exactly matching with our data, then only these filter conditions will work here. So we can see United States spelling. So we can save it. Now this rule is created. Now we can close this one, and we can see view as US region. This way we will be able to see United States data only and all the states in US region. Similarly, we can create other roles as well. So we can view as none, just to see all data. Now we will create a role for Mexico region, MEXICU. So we can go to manage roles, click on new, Mexico region. Now again we will go to new and create the filter on country equals Mexico and save it. After this we can close this one and we can view as Mexico region. So you can see here for Mexico region we can see the states, all these are in Mexico only. So we can see the data is filtered here. So this is about row level security in Power BI, and we can assign these roles by when we are giving access to multiple users. We can assign these roles in Power BI service. Thank you.